Hello, I'm Dr. Rob Califf, Head of Clinical Policy and Strategy at Verily Life Sciences and Google Health. Misinformation on the internet is promulgating the idea that messenger RNA-related vaccines change our DNA, the basic essence of our physical structure. This is completely untrue. Messenger RNA tells our systems how to produce an immune response that protects us against the virus, and then it goes away. It's like Snapchat, where we send a message and then it disappears. In this case, messenger RNA has gone very quickly after it does its job. And we have plenty of research and studies now in people who have been vaccinated to prove that this is the case. Some people have put forth the idea that vaccines are unsafe, and that especially under the situation of a pandemic, they were rushed, and so we don't really know if they're safe or not. In fact, the opposite is true. The clinical trials that were done with the vaccines that are on the market have involved tens of thousands of people who have been vaccinated and followed for at least 2 months, and now we have 100 million Americans that have been vaccinated. It's also fair to say that we're doing longer-term follow-up on the vaccines, and so far it looks outstanding. These data are publicly available. They're looked at by committees of experts who are not part of the pharmaceutical industry. What we do have is a mandatory requirement that there's a follow-up of people who get a vaccine, so that if there are side effects that are caused by the vaccine, they can be detected. And so we all get a vaccine card, which it's just a card, a paper card, and there's no way the government can use that for anything except to access records, but not to track anyone. It's easy to get confused by the language. There is a follow-up system, and I think we would all want that. We wouldn't want to just get vaccinated and then be on our own hoping for the best. But there's not a plan or a method for the government to keep track of us in other ways.